Regina Celi, letare, hallelujah.
Yeah, okay, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about christening day of Chizitelu Jasmin, my first daughter. You guys might be wondering, why am I posting this video right now? Yeah guys, I'm posting it today because, let me just take a little bit of story back. When I had Obina, I had a video of his christening, baptism, and when I had now I have Sonwa, which is my third baby. We also have a christening video. Okay, now my YouTube channel is no longer all about putting things up for my viewers to watch. My YouTube video is also about keeping memories, which I regretted not having some things documented, because now I've started seeing my YouTube videos as some things that my children are going to watch, also me, myself is going to see when I get to a certain age, when you've gotten to that age that your body is wrinkled, that your skin is wrinkled, that your face is getting wrinkled, things just to go back and see things, and children go back to and see when they are growing, which is going to bring me up to this channel, and I'm thinking about starting doing YouTube videos of my children, putting them in my videos, which I've started doing right now. So now I decided to incorporate these videos together, which you can see right here that these videos are joined together, because I also want Chizitelu to feel, or to also know, that I have documentations of when she was baptized, you see, so that when they grow up and when she's seeing Obina's christening day on a video and seeing someone's christening day on a video, so she won't be left out. And one thing that really I'm not happy about in this particular video, which I'm saying it now, she's going to hear it as well, is that I have a Canon camera on this very day. Most of the pictures here you guys are gonna see are the pictures I put up. I snapped with my Canon camera, okay, my G7XMARKIII. Yes, but surprisingly I can't find videos from that camera when I was actually videoing Chizitelu's christening. And this is not of me. I'm very sure that I videoed her christening in that church when she was being baptized, but to give account of where that video went today is what I cannot answer. I don't know where that video went to. I have searched my camera. I have 2 memory cards. I've put on the memory card of when Chizitelu was baptized. I've seen the pictures that I snapped, but I can't see any video. God, I'm so just angry about it. I don't know if I have mistakenly deleted the video, which I am thinking is what I did. I must have mistakenly deleted that video, and I didn't know it was the christening video of Chizitelu. Is what I deleted. That is the only place I can actually place my mind, because me that likes to keep things documented to an extent, or likes to capture pictures, I'm just wondering why I would have my camera and I didn't do a video. So now I just gave myself a heart rest that I have done that video. Maybe I must have possibly deleted it, not knowing that it was Chizitelu's video. Okay, you might be thinking, okay, I had it then, I did a video then, okay, I deleted it. It must have taken some months before I deleted it. Why didn't I do her video? That's what I'm saying right now, that my YouTube channel has gotten to this stage where I'm no longer thinking of it as a YouTube channel for the viewers. It's also, I'm thinking that these are the videos my children are going to watch when they grow, and videos I'm going to see when I grow as well. So it's like I'm documenting our life. So then when I had that video, I wasn't ready to share those kind of things on my channel. That is the reason I didn't document Chizitelu's video as soon as after the baptism, maybe like 1 month, 2 months, when I must have gotten myself to a relaxed state and do a edition of that video, just like I have done for the other siblings. Okay, now when I was not ready to do that, that was when I started looking for the video, which had taken months before I started. So I have not brought my conclusion and my heart to rest to the point, but I was really sick about it. I was angry, I was sick. Why didn't I have this video? Why is this video not here? I was not happy, I was disturbed, but I just gave myself a heart rest that this video must have been deleted unknowingly, thinking it was other content that I have already deleted. Because on my camera, on my memory card, sometimes when I do some content and I've posted it already, I just go ahead and delete it from my camera. So that is it just, guys. Chizitelu, as you're watching this video, I hope you're going to understand mom and be happy still that mommy had gone a long way to also compute these pictures and some of the short videos I had. Thankfully for my iPhone, I had to use my iPhone also to do some short videos on my snap. You know, you can see the videos on the beginning, at the beginning of this video, and thank God I had it. And the most important events that took part, which is when they were pouring water on her head, I was able to get it. The particular thing that was called baptism, which was when the priest was putting water on her head, I actually got it. So I'm very happy about it. I used those snap short videos at the beginning of this video just for her to also see clips of when they were being, you know, they poured water on her head, which is the main sign of baptism. Okay, so Chizitelu, I hope you're going to see how far mom went on the beginning of that video and see how I went as far as collecting pictures, you know, collecting videos from the Snapchat. I went a very long way to get those Snapchat videos from my phone, even though Obina microwaved my iPhone and it was not longer showing very well on the screen, but I still went very far to actually bring out those videos from my iPhone that was almost blind due to my son microwaved my phone. Thankfully, so I knew that the phone was microwave when I started perceiving the burning smell, and I went to microwave and I saw my phone. So Chizitelu, mommy loves you, daddy loves you, someone loves you, Obina loves you. This is what mommy came up with, baptism pictures. You can enjoy the so many beautiful pictures that were snapped with the priest, that the friends and family snapped, that the mommy snapped. This is you, okay? And you can also see in this video that someone, your sister, like you always say, your sister is wearing the same christening clothes with you, and mommy all had this same plan. I wanted you guys to have the same christening clothes, and mommy also had a plan also for you guys to have the same reverend father, which I was happy that the priest was still in that church as at this time. So Chizitelu, Obina, and someone had the same reverend father that baptized them, which was very intentional for me. Okay, love you, Chizitelu. We all love you, and I pray that you keep growing in God's grace and continue to be a good child, and that God blesses you and showers you with so much love that anything you think of, you're going to attain it in this life. Okay, love you so much. These are the beautiful pictures. You and someone had the same clothes. Yes, I kept Obina's clothes again for my last baby, who's gonna be a boy. So Chizitelu, know that mommy compiled this video for you with love, so that you can also see that we have some of your videos with love. Okay, bye bye. Also the viewers, enjoy the video. Bye bye.